Mic test. Mic test. Hello. Hello. Mic test. Hello. Mic test. Mic test. Hello. Uh-huh. This is crazy. Okay. All right. Thank you. That's good. That's good. Okay. Okay. I hope you have a good market kickoff. I was up early actually, doing. I was studying and I'm looking for, you know, I'm trying to experiment and scalp market opening to opening range, but it's not doable. This is my second time doing it. I thought Sunday would be a great trying to capture this move here, but it's not a good idea. So it's always so I have an entry here. I'm on a positive side until I close it here with a negative 15, a negative, yeah, negative 20, I guess. Negative, yeah, no, no, negative 17. And then after the pre-opening range, I have a setup, and I took that setup early. So this is where my setup begins. This is a low volume market, so and a slow market, of course. It's Asia, but I'm trying to get be good at trading Asia session. It's because that's I have most of my time. My free time is by this time, like 8 p.m. to at, at least 10 p.m. And then I have a setup here. You see the moving average 9 and the exponential moving average 21, which is the blue and the green crossed right after the switch of the Supertrend. See, and created market shift, minor market shift, and displacement. So basically, this is the this is the methodology of this trading strategy. So it's revolved around the moving averages and super trend, and with additional confluence of fair value gap, uh, volume imbalance. We can add this, but this is not on the strategy. Just trying to show that this one here is a volume imbalance, which means there are more seller than the buyer. So that's why I'm confident that the price will go down at least to this level of 20,500 is a psychological number. Even number, an even number is always a psychological in terms of trading stock market, uh, where most of the people put their order to buy stocks. That's my theory of psychological number. And then the upper side psychological number is, I'm guessing it's on around 20,570. That's the upper part. Uh, like supply zone on 4 hour time frame, but we're not going there. So yeah, we'll see. Let's see this. If we have this, actually, the true stop loss here should be here. Let's minimize our risk to put our stop loss here. On this scalping session or period, this will be our stop loss. So I have this shift that created this what do you call that? This created this displacement, and if you go to 2 minutes time frame, you will have a good uh, here. You see this? I'll draw it. That's a fair value. That's a fair value gap. Bearish fair value gap on a 2 minutes time frame. But we are scalping 1 minute. So I was supposed to enter this one here, but I said okay, I will hit the neck of the displacement, which this one here, neck of the market shift. So I entered here. So I entered within the 1 minute fair value gap with the volume imbalance. So above 50% of fair value gap. Then I put another order on the 50% of fair value gap, and it was mitigated here. And then that's why I have two order. Right now, we're consolidating, and if this price will break this volume imbalance, the trade will be invalidated. So that's why I think I'm putting my stop loss here. We already hit 1:2 actually. If you measure this one, we already have, I think, 1:2 profit as a good. Let's see, already have it. But people, we are greedy, you know. We don't want 1:2. We want more than that, right? Let me see. Yeah, we already hit 1:2 of this entry. This one here. So that's why you see we already have a 1:2 take profit with this stop loss, a standard stop loss. Already have it. Now it's obvious that we are consolidating right now. It's obvious to notice because of, you know, the super trend is going straight, but super trend is still supporting bearish. That's why I'm holding this trade. Although I already have multiple confirmation to exit, like for example this one here, this is my criteria to exit: option 1 or option A. Option 2 is when the blue cross back the green, and then option 4 actually is when the super trend shift to bullish, but our option 1 is always the 1:2 standard risk and reward ratio. So if you practice 1:2 risk and reward ratio, you are out by now, and like you already have like at least 300 to 150 or 200 if you have a position, two position. So that's how you use this moving averages and super trend. I call it my ultimate scalping strategy because it's high probability trade all the time, and you have chance to get exit the market with minimized loss once you follow the exit option. So that's how we use this. So yeah, hi, Nangenta, my friend. Nice seeing you again. Thank you for tuning in on my live session. So I'm. It's been a while. I was out for 3 days, I guess. But today and tomorrow, I'll see. Maybe I can. If I pass this account, this is my friend's account. It's payback to his account that I blew up last 2 weeks ago. So I'm paying him. I said, okay, I will pass combine for you, and I'll give it to you. But I'm not trading. Actually, for the past 2 weeks, I stopped trading Asia on my real account and Express account. I stopped trading Asia. I'm trading most of the time New York AM session, but I'm not sharing it live. You know, a little bit privacy on my account, and I can't concentrate if I'm live. So that's why I have either I have a practice account or I have a combined for for someone else, and sometimes I use a small account, top step, but I trade heavily on my Ninja Trader. It's my own money, and I have 4 Express account. 2 is 50K and 2 is 1 is 100. 2 is 100, and that's I'm using that to trade most of the time. And all of my earnings there, I'm putting it on my Ninja Trader account. I do also trade like day trader as a forex trader. So I use Taste Wanda. It's a good one. I switched recently. I was a IJ or Tasty FX. I switched to Wanda for for most for legality. I think they're strong. The legality base, they are strong here in. I'm not promoting them, but I think I feel comfortable trading with them. So I trade forex, like one to two entry a week, and then the take profit. Sometimes it took some for a while, sometimes 2 weeks, sometimes 1 week. So it's where I trade actually. It's where I earn big. Futures. I'm new to futures, so I'm still trying to study Nasdaq. Nasdaq is my favorite. Then after that is gold. So I'm all. This is where I trade most of the. I use this. I use Nasdaq and gold most of the time. So you see, we're moving to the right direction. And when I was trading, when I was using ICT, I've learned from ICT that I think he's right about that. When there is a gap on the opening market, like close market and opening market, there is a gap. Uh, the price will always try to fill that gap before moving to different directions. So either it will the price will fill today, will fill it up tomorrow, but always, if you try to look or try to backtest or try to review it, price will always go back to the gap because this gap, it's like a magnet. Um, Price will drawn to that because there's no trading activity there. I think it's algorithmic. I just don't know, but always, and I've learned that when I was learning ICT, and he's right about that. Uh, then I've read a book about a psychological level, which is really good when you are trading stock market. A psychological level is like a even number. Like for example, 20,500, uh, 20,550, 20,540. So human mind, like psychologically, if you are buying stock, most of the time you put your order to the even number. Uh, if you try to think about it, like if you think about it, me, I bought I buy some stocks. I bought some stocks, and I always put my order on the even number. And I think the book that I read, they're right about that. So I'm not I'm not really fun. I don't look because of this strategy that I'm using. I'm not. I only look at this. This. I'm focusing on this strategy, but yeah. According to my friend here, when you use book order, there's a order on 20,500, and so maybe that's part of the psychological mentality where to put an order. So yeah, I think that's reasonable, right? Yeah, bookmark. So we'll see. Now I'll try to. Let's see. I'll put my take profit here just to secure. Maybe if we hit this one, then we're good. Um, so we are now moving consolidation. There we have is done. We have a break of structure. So market shift, major market shift, and we have another break of structure. Break of structure here. Okay. Break of structure. Hmm. All right. Let's see about it. So now I'm already here. So this time, if my exit option will show, maybe I will exit the trade. Uh, yep. So we're done with this fair value gap. We do have another here, and I think still a valid entry. If you put your entry here, I think it's already mitigated, so I think this entry will still be valid. And if you try to maybe, let's see, let's try. Yeah, I think this is still a valid entry. Put your stop loss there on the first candle, and then the target should be 1:2. So on this level, oh, on the opening market, on opening price. So I think that's reasonable, right? Uh, I'm just afraid of this 20,500. That's why I put my take profit there, because it's a good number. It's like psychologically, it's a good number to put your buy order, right? So that's why I'm putting my take profit there, so to have a to secure. Oh yes, yes sir. I'm Filipino. As you can see, my English is not that good, so yeah, I am. I'm trying to. Yeah, I have a low vocabulary in English. I'm not that good at English, but I'm good at Arabic though. Came from Saudi Arabia. I worked there for 10 years. Yep. All right. So okay, let's remove this one. Trying to. Okay. Let's see. So now a set of rules on my Asia session. I won't be trading past 9:30 p.m. and I won't be trading from 6 p.m. to 9:30. My trading zone will be 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. and after that I'm done. Whatever the result of the trading, I'm done. And for the past few weeks, I'm trying to see if I can trade this market opening to pre-opening range, but it's always a loss. So I thought my strategy will work on this time period, and maybe I can trade high because it's a good movement here, like a slow market, very slow. I'm thinking of trading high position, but the strategy is not working on this time. So it's always worked. My strategy always worked from 9:30 p.m. to uh, at least yeah 9 from I'm sorry 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. and then after that I'm not confident trading past 9:30 p.m. So that is during Asia session only for scalping for this scalping strategy. Then I'm having a good trade for the past few weeks on Asia, and my advice is not to trade on Monday. Monday is always loss for me. I really don't know because the consolidation, the volume is high, and same time it's not trending. So Monday, no trade. Tuesday is a good trade. You will able to catch a high like a trending market with although high volume but less volatile and one directional. Wednesday, observe Wednesday. If you have a good setup or if you are trending, the market is trending and you have a good setup using this strategy, if you want to follow this, okay, trade Wednesday, but it's not a high probability day. Thursday is the best market for Nasdaq. For the past months that I'm studying Nasdaq, Thursday is the best trending market, and Friday. So if you notice, if you keep on failing, if you keep on failing your like combine or your express funded account, uh, you able to pass like Thursday, Friday. The following day, like Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday, you blow it up. Is that because it's hard to trade those days except Tuesday. Monday and Wednesday is hard to trade for me. I'm having a hard time trading. All right, I hit my stop. I hit my profit. So, all right. So yeah, you see, I think the second entry here is for continuation. I think you will able to hit this take profit scalp. I think so. And I'm guessing that the market will probably, the price will probably go beyond this one here where the market closed last week to fill this gap. But to be safe, I rather put my take profit here or take profit here. But I already hit my, I don't want to, I'm positive 600 for tonight. My friend will be happy because I'll be passing this combined tomorrow maybe. I don't know. I think I cannot. No, for 2 days, I think I will be able to pass this for another day. Um, Let me see what happened. So this is where I started trading on Thursday, and I have the best day. And then on Friday, I was negative 400, and this is I trade during nighttime of Friday. So I have like 4 trades all lost, and I put here did not follow session time to trade and emotional. So I trade around 7:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. because I'm experimenting, and I was emotional, so I put a lot of loss. So I lost 400, and then I locked my account because I don't want to trade anymore because I am emotional. So yeah, so this is my third day. So we have 600, and later on I'll add another 800 for this, so that I'll be able to reach 1,000, at least 1,400, and the following day I only have 300 to pass this combined. So that's what I'm planning to do. Let's see. So you see, this is what I mean of. That's why I'm afraid of psychological number, uh, because the tendency to like bounce back this area, but we'll see. Right now, this is a I don't know. You see, we do have a breakup structure here, but it didn't create a good displacement because the candle opened above this candle, so it's not a good displacement. It's not a good breakup structure candle. So this is a yeah, it's not a good breakup structure candle. But until we will not nullify or pass this fair value gap here, we're still good. If you're on the trade, I will still be holding the trade. But now I don't have an entry, so for me tonight, this is the real movement. This one, so we're able to catch it. So this is the true scalping movement for tonight, and I will not wait for anything. We already have this, so I think this is the trade. This is the one now, the one from here. So this is the scalp, and we have it. We got it, and we're done for tonight. Um, if you want to still trade, uh, wait for 12 o'clock most likely, or if I were you, trade 3 a.m. I really want to trade 3 a.m., but I don't want to wake up that early. I have a hard time waking up that early, but it will be a good volume because it's a London session. So now this will be the true consolidation. I think maybe if we will not pass, if we will like go back there, maybe this will be the consolidation until 11 p.m. or London session. Yep. Sir, can I talk to you? Yes, sure. Opo, sir. Um, Good luck on your passing your account, Don. Good luck. Kaya mo yan. Discord, not yet actually. I was busy. I'm sorry to. I spend a lot of time in the hospital. My wife was hospitalized for a couple of days, so I have no chance of doing you know. So I have a Discord now. I remember I used Discord before when I was playing Dota, and then I was able to retrieve the account. So I will be studying how to make a Discord, and uh, I have 20 people asking to mentor them, and I told them I cannot promise because I don't have enough time yet. I'm focusing on taking care of my kids and at the same time working as a nurse part time. So yep. Yes, I can teach you. I can teach you, Don. I can mentor you. So I do have like I have a two. I don't know uh, how much you know about trading, and what are you trading, future forex? What do you want to trade? Stock market? Video call? I don't know. Maybe message. I don't. can you message me? Uh, you can message me. I have a Facebook actually. My my name on Facebook. Message me on Facebook, and I'll share. I will assess how much you know about trading, and maybe I can give you a time. If I can, kung late ako mag-reply, maybe sorry, but definitely I will message you. Okay, that's good. So let's learn together. Okay, I'm still learning futures, but I think I have a grasp on it. I think I like it. I like future. Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. You can message me. Mm. And I'll have a Discord soon. I think I need to have a Discord, and I will let you join. I'll post everything. I'll post everything there. But uh, I do have a video about this strategy, like one or two overview of the strategy and the methodology that why I explained there why this strategy is really a high probable strategy. So there, and I'm a scalper, so I'll teach you about the scalping. But if you want to learn like day trading, I don't know if I don't advise future as a day trading. I can talk about forex maybe. What you call that, like a long-term trading on futures on forex. Yeah, I can teach you. And then also investing on stock market. This is not a financial advice actually, but I can share my knowledge on investing stock market. So recently I I'm addicted of like studying penny stock. Uh, if who amongst you knows future Faraday? Uh, Recently I have a good income there. So yep. Okay, I can teach. So you see, the price are starting to consolidate now. We have a good resistance on this psychological number or psychological level. So we failed to break the psychological level, and most likely because of that order uh, sitting there. But we're having a continuation. So let me explain to you a continuation because I'll be ending this live at 9 o'clock. Okay, so let me explain to you the setup that I have earlier. So we have a good if we hit this one is to two one is to two trade here. If we hit this one, this will be a continuation setup. So we have we have a good one setup for tonight, and this is this one. So I put a drawing, so you can see this is to guide you. I put this drawing here. Let's remove this one. Okay. So market opens New York time at 6 p.m. And then we have this a gap, market opening gap from closing last week to the opening today. Then the price rally, short rally a bit to bullish time frame. Sorry, bullish movement, and then pre-opening range. Pre-opening range is 7:30 to 8 p.m. This is the Asia opening, and then from this time, this is where we are hunting for a setup. This time, okay. At, Actually, until a good setup will be until at least 9 p.m. Okay, 9 p.m. So if you cannot find a setup within this time period, let the night have a good night. unless you want to stay late until 11 p.m. or 12. But here, and then once you have an entry on this time period, most often than not, you will have your you will have a like you will hit your either stop loss or take profit before 9:30. So that's why uh, by that time we're done trading. So that's why I said you only trade this time period, and maybe you will have a one good setup, easy setup like what we have right now. So this is where I enter my trade. You see this? And when you're using uh, this one here, I'll show you. Okay. Okay. This is where I enter my trade. And then I hit the thing. That's our we hit our okay. So I noticed this. We are on consolidation supporting bull market, but all of a sudden we have a switch of super trend to bearish, and then we cross the moving average 9 and EMA 21 crossed here. You see that? And this is very good sign because they almost like switch together. Then before that, there is a fair value gap here. So I did not enter the trade. I did not enter the trade. Where will I enter the trade? Here, I supposed to like put my supposedly like ideally you put your entry here on the 50% or this one here and put your stop loss there. Ideally, that's a good entry. That's a good entry. But when I enter the trade, I enter the trade here actually. Uh, let's see. I entered the trade here, this area. Uh, I did not trust that the price will go back because of this candle formation. It's like a hammer, like this one here. I did not trust, so I assume that the price will continue go down without like retesting this fair value gap because of this candle pattern, reversal candle pattern. So it's a and supported by the super trend and this uh, shift. So you see, sorry, this 20,500 is it's a crazy level. It's a psychological number. So this is not a continuation. If we trade that one, low probability, and then we're stopped. And this is a new setup. I'll show it to you. This is a new setup. Switch. We have. I think I'll trade this one. We'll see. Okay. Let's see. Let's trade this one. Until here. It's a good displacement. Let's trade this one. Let's wait for the third candle. Let's wait for the third candle. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Limit buy. Boom. Whee. Got it. And then put our. Let's see. Put the stop loss there. And we have actually a fair value gap here that I'm afraid the price will go and check this one. So there's a cross, switch in Supertrend, and we have a displacement. So maybe this is a good one. Displacement, and this is a market shift. See? So this is extreme fair value gap. This one here, a combination of two fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, and we have this high probability fair value gap there. Now, high probability fair value gap. Yep. Okay. Okay. Uh, so maybe I can say that this area here will be the consolidation, new consolidation range for tonight until maybe we'll change it around 11 p.m. or uh, 3 a.m. So this is a consolidation like this is tradable, but a consolidation like this is non-tradable, like this. So this one is because we have a wide range, so there's a probability of good setup, like what we have here and what we have now. And then 170, let's target another 1 is to 2. So 170 would be 320. Actually, this is our 1 is to 2 is the first, this one here. It's not a good one. That's the 1 is to 2. Just because this fair value gap is not a, not created by the displacement, or I think it is created by displacement. Yeah, it is created by displacement. So let's say put our stop loss here. The first candle that created that fair value gap. So this one here, and this is serve as an order block. Serves as order block. Put your stop loss there. So how? Let's put it here. 155 is good, and we have 310. I'll put it here. I don't. Yeah. Oh, oh no. Yeah, so this is our range. Uh-huh. Okay. 1 is to 1.6. Not bad. Okay. Let's see that. No, 1 is to 1 is to 1.9. Okay, that's not bad. Let's complete the 1 is to 2. Okay, that's not bad. Okay. All right. So now let's see. So we will have a two setup for tonight, bears and bulls. Good trade. You can send me a message. Just send me a message and I will reply. Uh, okay. You see, um, it's an effective strategy. Um, I'm doing live most of the time, and I'm sharing my loss and my wins. I'm not a, yeah, I'm not trying to show you that I'm a good trader. I'm just simply following this strategy, nothing else. Uh, there's nothing fancy about this. Nothing fancy about it. I'm not a good trader. I'm not a good trader. I'm just following this strategy that I discovered, and I think it's working. It is working. But I learned the things that I'm writing here, that I wrote here, like all of these things that I'm saying, like no trade zone, uh, Asia session trading, pre-opening range pre-market. It's based on my experience and what I've learned on the YouTube. I've learned a lot on market structure and price action when I was following ICT, but I just can't trade ICT because I'm not good at it. But the methodology, the terminology, the price action, the market structure that is been using is really helpful, really helpful. So as you can see, my terminal is like fair value gap, market shift, displacement, all of those things. Breakup structure is a smart money concept that I've learned from ICT. And if you want to learn, or if you want to watch, it's just not his. I don't know. It's up to you. But I'm not a. I lost a lot. I blew account after account when I was an ICT trader. But now I found my own strategy. So this is it. I don't want to trade ICT anymore because I'm not profitable doing it. But the price action that he's been using, the analysis, it's really good. I would say you can by using that and applying that to your maybe to your trading will help you predict because trading is more on prediction, right? You predict where the market will go. It's more on prediction. So we are predicting where the market will go. So by doing that, you should learn how to read the chart. You should learn how the price action is. You should have basic knowledge of candlestick pattern, the Japanese candlestick pattern. Okay. And see, let's sleep. Let's sleep. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, bubble bubbles na bubble. Come on. I was sleeping. I came up. I came up. I came up. Let's go. Oh, Papa. Okay. Ano na? No. No, please. God. YouTube, basi makakita pa ta sa tembala. Dahil na last na, mama. Oh, sorry, I think you heard everything. My kids. Uh, I don't know if you're doing wrong. It depends on where you're shorting right now, but I'm just following the indicator that I have right now, the strategy that I'm using. So uh, I was a I was a short earlier, and I hit my take profit, and now the strategy tells me to buy. So that's why I'm buying. I'm on a long. I'm on long. It depends on. I don't know how. What is your strategy? What strategy are you using? Rafis, are you support and resistance, trend line, ICT trader, moving averages, or what other strategy? What strategy are you using? And we'll see. I'll help you analyze where's the price. But right now, this is our consolidate. This blue line is for me is the consolidation range, and I'm expecting that the price will try to bounce back or uh, move in this zone for now until someone will move the market or cause a displacement to downside or upper side. But and I'm not a good I don't want to predict where the price will go based on like I don't want to predict because but if I am to predict the first psychology, this is when I open the market and I saw the price where we are, I draw this line, psychological level, up and down. The first psychological level I have is 20,500, and it's a strong psychological number, the way the number looks like. And you see the price reject that. There's a good rejection here because a lot of maybe people put their order here to buy. Okay, and then on the upper side, I'm guessing that 550 is a psychological upside when you go to 15 minutes time frame. But when you're using this strategy, don't do this. Actually, this is the one here, the 206. This is the one here. Yeah, this is the one. And why? It's because it's on the level of supply. It's on the level of supply. So this will be a very good rejection. Once we reach this, once the price will go here, maybe not now, maybe later or this week, we'll see a good rejection to short or sell out, most likely. Of course, I'm not sure. I'm just predicting. But from this time period, from this period of this is our zone. And at 9:30 p.m., I'm done trading, no matter what, loss or win. Okay. So I already have this move. I hit 600 here, 615, and then I have a signal here, and right now my signal is still valid. If you look at the description, you will see. Okay, I see. You're an ICT trader. All right. I was an ICT trader, but yep. I check my description, and you will see what strategy that I'm using. Okay, so that's why. Yep. So if you're an ICT trader, and if you took this trade, you should have it. You should have an entry here, most likely. You should have an entry here, right? This is a good entry for ICT. Because you have a liquidity sweep here, right? You see, I put a liquidity here. Liquidity sweep. There's a breakup structure, which is obvious as a fake liquidity. Try to have that liquidity. The price didn't like push down, and then went to consolidation and went up again to grab the liquidity. This is an ICT strategy, and then after that, you have a displacement, right? You have this displacement candle, but failed to break here. And then, if I am an ICT trader, my entry will always be here. It's because liquidity grab, failed to push down, start to consolidate, and then after that, someone moved the market, which create a displacement, and then a fair value gap, and so it's almost the same. Actually, earlier I put my stop loss, I put my entry here. Yeah, this is where I put my entry. Yeah, this is where I put my entry. So if I'm an ICT trader, this will be my entry here, and I'll have that take profit there. So that's where. So, and then if I'm an ICT trader at the same time, my take profit will be here, because of this opening gap. And ICT trader always says opening gap, the price will always draw. The price will always drawn to that, or this is like a magnet. But you see, if I follow ICT, I'm done. Like, I have the stop loss right now, right? But I'm not an ICT anymore, so mine is more on moving average. Moving average will tell me what to do, and will tell me when to exit, which is a perfect, for me it's a perfect, because I have a, so I'll show you an example earlier. If you go back and rewind this live, I was testing this market here, and I have an entry here of this level, this one here. I long this one, and then I was targeting 1:2. Actually more than 1:2. because my stop loss was here, and I was targeting, yeah, I was targeting 1:2. So this is, I'm aiming for this price. It's an experimental trade for me. But uh, when I saw this, and when my when this super trend shifted, which one of my criteria, like option 4 to exit the trade, I was able to exit trade earlier here with like only negative 15, and that's my commission, like the the pay to this to enter the trade. So that's why this moving average with the exit option is always perfect if you want to minimize your risk and uh, you know minimize risk most of the time, yeah, and trade, have a good trade without losing too much. So yep, so that's my that's why I stopped trading ICT, because I'm not good at ICT. I I actually I passed 4 express funded account using ICT, and I passed that because of my position is so high. And then when I was on the express, and then when I'm like taking care, I took care of that account using ICT, and my win percentage is only 30% to 40%, and I stopped doing ICT because I'm not good at it. So right now I'm just using this uh, moving average. Okay. Uh, so this is a good setup. So where am I? Well, so yeah, I have that, and then we hit this one. So you see, uh, I hit the psychological level that I was aiming before my moving average cross. So if I did not hit my take profit, and I saw this moving average moves cross, like the moving average 9 and the smooth moving average 10, the red one crossed, this is my first exit option, my first exit option. So I will end my trade right here if I did not hit this take profit. So that's the option. Now if I have that same cross, like this blue will cross the red again, I'll be ending the trade, win or loss, right? So here, let's see. So let's see what's some, yeah. So this one is sell out, and they are closing together. So let's go and exit that entry. Okay, I'm out. I don't expect the price will go up further. I think this is, yeah, I'm out. So you see, I'm not confident that the price will go out, and I'm on my, and how do I know that the price will not go up further? First, I exit early without waiting for the blue line to cross the red. Why? It's because of this candle formation. You see this candle here? You see? If I wait for my signal to exit, I'm negative. I will be negative, right? I will. So I exit early without following my exit options, because there's a obvious candle reversal candlestick pattern. It's so obvious here. You see this one here, this candle here, this one, this first candle, second candle, and third candle. So this group of candle, this 3 candle, is a basic 3 candle reversal pattern. Basic. Uh, yeah. Remember that one. If you search on Google, you will see a lot of like this: a shooting star, a hammer, and then this hammer engulfs that shooting star, and followed by another reverse bearish hammer, and then now we have a displacement. Uh, there's a breakup structure here. I can trade this. I can trade this. I can short this one if I want to, but it's not a high probability trade, and it's not a good setup. But it's a, once this price will go, like, your entry will be here. You can have your entry here on the 50% of this fair value gap. 50% of that fair value gap. You can have your entry there. Put your stop loss here and take 1:2. 1:2 is enough because we're just scalping. Take 1:2 or hit this, the price will go here. Hit this fair value gap like the one on this. So but that maybe the price will not go there. This is a sell out on this consolidation. So you see the price, I'm really expecting that the price will do this. Go up there, go down, go up there. Will not break this one here. Or we'll see maybe the price will try to fill this gap before moving to up, or maybe continuing to go down, continue to go down. But yeah, you see, so they crossed this switch. So that's why if you need to learn the basic candlestick patterns. So and then don't be greedy and don't be hopeful. Once you see the sign to exit or the sign to entry or something like that, just follow your strategy without putting your emotion. So trade like a robot, and I think you will be successful. Yeah, reversal pattern. Yep. Yeah. So yeah, some are like, some trader are love to trade like 9:30. So it's like a silver bullet of Asia. So the opening is 8, and then 9 o'clock is the silver bullet, 9 to 11 or 9 to 10, something like that. But I just don't trade that time period. I'm more on this. Okay, so now, so I'm done. I'm done for tonight. I'm done for tonight. So I have two set up. The other one is failed, but it's a good exit, a profitable exit. $90, I guess, or 50 exit. So that's good. So I haven't lost this trade for tonight. Okay, so good trade. The other one, I don't consider that other one here as a trade because it was an experimental trade, and I'm not expecting to win or something. I'm just really trying to see. But I was like negative 15 and then positive 600 plus, and then I have this 50, positive 50. So yeah, I think this trade is okay, but I think will not. The price will not. I think the price will go back there. If you short this one, that will be your entry there. Stop loss is there, and take profit will be here, or will be here. Yeah, let's. So now it's 9 p.m. I will not have an entry here. I'm done. I'm afraid to enter the market. So I think this is the move, a good move. This one here and that one here, and we'll see some consolidation. Okay, guys. So I'm done for tonight. And if you have any question, please have a question. I still have 30 minutes to answer a question if you want to, but let's see. If you want me to explain something about the strategy, I will do it. Yeah, but actually I'm really guessing that the price will take this gap here. Yeah, will come here, fill this gap, and then after that, I don't know. So I'm a scalper, and once I'm not expecting to have multiple setup within this time. Like one is good enough, sometimes none. But and the same goes to 9 New York session, one setup or two setup for reversal, one for manipulation and one for distribution. If you catch that, you will be profitable. And the good thing about this strategy is you don't need to avoid manipulation. You can trade manipulation and distribution. All right. All right, guys. Yeah, I'll try to answer your question.
Yes, kid. What happened? Thank you so much, Christine. I was about to go, but you told me to. You commented like gold, and then when I checked the gold setup just formed, and I was able to catch that this setup. It's a good call. Uh, Very good setup. We are on like a continuation setup with a good displacement and volume. This is fantastic. So yeah, thank you for a tip. Like I'm not trying to look the gold market today, but yeah, it's a good one. So it's a good trade. Maybe I think I'll pass this combine today or tonight, and I don't need to like trade later. So we have here. So it's a good one. This is a good one. A good volume and good. Let me see. I'm on 2 minutes actually. I don't know why yeah. So I'm on a 2 minutes because it's more clear in terms of setup wise. 2 minutes is more clear. That's why I'm here. Uh, if you go to 15 minutes time frame, we are on a trending market right now for the gold since last week. So this is a trend market, and the setup that we catch right now is it's a continuation setup. A continuation setup. Yep. So let's see. I can only have as much as 1,450 for this combine because this is my best day from the day one that I trade this combine. So once I hit 1,450, the next trade will be tomorrow to finalize and finish and pass this combine. Um, Thank you so much, Christine, for for. Thank you so much, Christine. Like, all right. Yeah. And by this time, I think it's safe to put our stop loss to a break even, or this here, maybe 40. Yeah, this one here. That's yep. So we'll give a leverage. Why? Oh no, actually, yeah, break even. Now this one, yeah, this is right because stop loss should always be on the first candle that created a fair value gap, right? I'll move my take profit there. Anyway, it will stop once I hit this 1,550, 450. You want apple, kid? I'll give you. All right, my kid is still awake, so apple and banana. So I'm really hoping that I'll be successful trading. You know, if you, I think the only problem is to conquer the psychological aspect of trading. Once I conquered that, and I'll be like trading like a robot, uh, and earning enough to pay the bills. I think trading is a good source of income once you master the psychological aspect of trading. Imagine earning while you're at your house or at home. You control your time. You have a spend you have a good time with your family. So spend most of the time with your family while work. Why work, right? So, but I'm not yet there. This apple is good. Hmm. Here's your apple. Mhm. Good job. Okay. So we're having a retest and we nullify that fair value gap. I'm afraid that the price will go back here to test this fair value gap here. But uh, yeah, let's see. I don't want to lose anything. Once the price will go here, I'm done. 50. Yeah. Nice, nice entry. Hold it until the price will break 20,000 at 2,740. I think 2,740. I think that we are on continuation, so this is safe. This is a safe trade as long as the moving average support the trade. I think it's okay to go. Okay, okay to yeah. Let's see the 1 minute time frame. It's for the purpose of getting out of the trade early. So we'll see. Hmm. Yep, yep. It's a good. Uh-huh. It's the one there. It's a good volume for gold tonight, right? It's a good volume, right? Yeah, it is. Hmm. Who's with me trading gold right now? We are trading with Christine. Christine is the one like when he said gold, and he said, "Okay, let me look at gold." He's trying to say something. She's 9:30. I'm done. 9:30. I'm done. All right. Huh. I'm done for tonight, guys. Actually, my kid is trying to make me uh, go to bed. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are holding that trade on gold, go ahead, hold that. I think it will be a good trade. It's a good trade. Aim for 2,746 most likely, or maybe we'll continue to go up and beyond to the moon. But yeah, 787 is not bad for tonight. Thank you so much. I'll be good night. Good night all. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Ngenta, my friend. Ngenta. Thank you so much for supporting my live. You're always there, my friend. Thank you so much, my friend. I hope you will have a good, good weekdays and good days. Take care. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Still hold. I think we'll hit to 2,746. I think. Okay. I'll check your message, Don, and I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Okay. Uh, and you too, BC Drums. Thank you, buddy. You're always there to support my channel. Thank you, my friend. Okay, good luck on your combine. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Uh, maybe tomorrow night. I cannot do live uh, at New York session because I'll be going to DMV or yeah, I'll register my car and I will be trading remotely. So, but I will be trading maybe I'll do live same time same time. Yeah, I'll be online before pre-market range, and then we'll try to catch some setup 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. same time. So yeah, and tomorrow we'll try to check both gold and Nasdaq. All right. Thank you. Salamat. Thanks. Bye.